Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I kind of went hard today over at the Dollar General and I got all this stuff for $6 and that is the beauty of that store. Oh my gosh, so I'm going to share that with you in a second. Went to Walmart and I picked up a couple of things and I'm very sorry about the weird lighting. It's just very bright outside and with the snow it's very reflective. So no weather report today because I'm going to probably blind you with that. But this is part of my Walmart haul and I did pick up a couple little things over at Walgreens, so we'll talk about that. But the first store that we're going to talk about is the Dollar General. I believe on Tuesday, which is yesterday, they had a new penny list and this was part of it. The Snickers fun size peanut butter and the almonds. These were all on an end cap and I got I think like 6 of these and 5 of these, a whole lot of them. And yeah, a penny each, and they were just in plain sight. They were not removed from the floor. I'm going to show you guys the UPC here. Good luck with those. And another penny that I found was in the Valentine's Day clearance section is this little, they're little lollipops with pop rocks. So they're, I guess they make noise in these different flavors. I thought that would be really fun and I found 6 of them. Okay friends, and when you see that 0.00, it's a penny. So that's what it rings up for in the app, but when you bring it to the till, it is a penny. And here is the UPC. Sorry, they're bags and they're all kind of curved, but you got the numbers there to type it into the app, so hopefully you can find them. So a lot of you are asking about the Hers cheese balls and the pretzels that are $5. Right now they're $2.50. My prediction is that on Tuesday, March the 1st, they might be a little bit cheaper, but they didn't like get discounted with the Valentine's. So definitely put these in the Dollar General app or grab a screenshot. And next Tuesday, we'll see what they are ringing up for. Hopefully they'll be discounted a little bit more than $2.50. It was a really good penny day. I know there's a lot of ice cream, but unfortunately, it's just a thing I don't want to haul right now. It's very hard to store and yeah, I didn't get any of the ice cream and I know it was very limited at various stores, but for those of you that got it, thumbs up. Now, I made a video a couple days ago about these purple squares. This is part of a Christmas seasonal, like Christmas Valentine's Day. All this stuff was 90% off, which is a really great price point. Now, even though there was a massive storm yesterday, for whatever reason, I guess we got a hearty bunch of shoppers out here. A lot of stuff was cleared, but I did find a lot of stuff. I really had to search through the store, high and low. So these first little, just like a little hair tie, I thought they were super cute. 10 cents, you can't beat that price point. I got these little frozen lip gloss kits for little girls. I think they're so sweet. And they were also 30 cents each. So I have a couple nieces that are really going to enjoy those. Also on the 30-cent train are these Barbie hand soaps. So you'll either find this with the Valentine's Day merchandise. It might be in an end cap, or it might be, you know, somewhere completely different in the store, like at the front. So the Barbie, this was also 30 cents each, and they are really well wrapped. And when I was loading up my car, I had some Butterfingers and it smashed this off. And there was this old lady behind me and she's like, I just hate when that happens. And I was in my own little world, guys. I must have jumped about 100 feet tall, like high. And then I just looked at her and she's like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. And I'm like, yeah, it's just one of those days. So that was kind of funny. But I'm just going to use this soap. I wanted to give both of them to my nieces, but I guess I'll only give them one because that's kind of a, hey, here's a gift. It's half broken. I'm just going to keep that. So this was probably my absolute and total favorite find. These little duos of these Freeman kits. And they are little face masks. And Freeman is a really good company. So we have the different flavors, I guess. And I was able to find a whole lot at this one store. And my kitten is playing with the blinds. Sorry, guys. And then we have this refreshing mask for, these were 30 cents as well. This was 50 cents, and it's a mask with a little brush, and how sweet is that? It looks really nice. And then some bigger ticket items, and these were $1 each, is this Freeman again. It's a little mask kit, and then these slippers with the lavender lotion, so that is really nice. So as I said, guys, probably I spent about $6, and this is the kind of shopping I love to do, so it was really great. At Walmart, again, sorry about the crazy Phantom of the Opera half and half lighting. These little dish towels were 25 cents. The original price point for these were, I think 98 cents, so 75% off. It looks Valentine's Day, but I don't really know what the story is there. And they were just tagged like this. And I found them in the clearance section. Another Valentine's item that looks Valentine's-y is the, see they have the hearts on it. It's these Nostalgia. We have a donut maker, which is really cool, and then the mini waffle. The original price point for these products were like $8.96, so closer to 10 or closer to $9. Sorry, that light is really hard to look at. It just keeps cutting in my face. So we have the donut and the mini waffle maker, and the original price point was $8.96, so $9. And they're 50% off. I wish they were 90% off, but I guess we don't get what we want always. If you go to the site brickseek.com and type in this UPC in your zip, you can see what the price points are in your town. But a really good price point, especially for this donut maker, because I've never seen it that cheap. Another deal that I did again, I got 3 of these. I found a coupon that I had from an insert in January. I think it was like the savings insert. It was $2 off. So this guy was $1.79. Subtracting that $2 coupon, it was free plus 21 cents of overage. And I had like other items to grab the overage in my basket. And IBOTTA has a $1 rebate back for this guy. So it made it like, you know, I got $3 back as I got 3 of them. So it made it a $3.63 moneymaker after everything was said and done. So how fun is that? I can't really show you stuff over there because it is so flippin' bright. But I did get this Yankee Candle, and this is in the Mary Berry scent, and it is the Holiday Countdown Collection. And this one says 25, so I wonder if it's the 25th candle in the collection. I don't know. This candle was originally just under like $18.99. It was close to like 19 bucks. And it was $5, so like 80% savings. And here is the UPC if you want to go on BrickSeek and type it in. But that is some tremendous savings. And yes, I did get a bunch of these candles today. So I just used an IBOTTA gift card to pay for them because it was kind of like a splurge. I got 7 of them today. Okay, so over at Walgreens, they're selling these Starlight Coca-Colas, and it's supposed to be a space flavor. A lot of people on social media says it's like it tastes like cotton candy, but 2 for $4. It is a limited edition Coca-Cola. I know a lot of people like to try new things, so that is the price point at Walgreens. Over at the Dollar General, it's 2 for $3.50. So if you like to save money, go over to the Dollar General. But this is one of those new sort of things, and I know that it's almost being sold out in certain places. I'm seeing it go crazy on social media, and they have both the original that has sugar and then like the Coke Zero version, so which is sugar free. So yeah, if you are interested in this stuff, I would get one sooner than later. The last deal that I did, and again, sorry about the weird light, I got 2 Kleenexes and 1 Scott paper towel over at Walgreens. So that's $15 on the nose. We have that $1.25 IBC coupon, subtracting $3.75. Plus I had a $1 digital for that. So after everything was said and done, guys, I also threw in a $5 store coupon. So it was $5.25 that I had to pay out of pocket. And I used $5 in Walgreens cash, just paid down the tax. But a really good stock up price just to get paper products, because what's the price of this next month? That's the question. So delighted with my haul. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.